Alright, so today we're looking at proof by counterexample. So our learning intention is to gain the knowledge in constructing a proof based on providing a counterexample. So we'll be successful if we can provide a statement, then provide a counterexample, and then conclude the proof. Okay. So some points to note: it's often difficult to prove that a statement is true for all cases. So if that's the situation, it is sometimes easier then to show that a statement is false by providing a counterexample and showing that it's false for one of the cases. Yeah, so that's a proof of a counterexample. For example, we want to provide a counterexample to show that the following statement is not always true. So the statement that we have is for all n's that are integers, n squared is going to be larger than n. Alright, so a counterexample to prove that this is false is, well, let n equal a half. Well, then n squared would equal a quarter. Now, a quarter is not bigger than a half. So, therefore, the statement is not true. Okay, so and that's enough. So there is not for all of n, there are not integers that n squared is greater than n. Okay, let's do the next example. So our statement is we have a and b, so there's some values. So if a and b, then 1 over a is going to be smaller than 1 over b. Well, a counterexample would be, let's say, let a equal 3 and b equal -2. Well, so 3 is greater than -2, but then we also got a third is not smaller than -1/2. So the statement is not true. Okay, so let's try this one. If we have for all values of x, where x belongs to the set of integers, then x plus 1 over x is greater than 2. So the statement is, for all of x, there are subsets of integers, x plus 1 over x is going to be greater than or equal to 2. So a counterexample or let x equals -1. So that's -1 is an integer. So we've got -1 plus 1 over -1. Well, that's -1 plus -1, which equals -2, and that is not equal. That's not greater than or equal to 2. So the statement is false. Okay, and then that's the end of our examples. All right, thank you very much.